Picture this, a world where farms not only feed us but also clean our air. Imagine barns that capture pollution instead of releasing it. Sound impossible? Think again. Welcome to the Fields of Innovation YouTube channel, where smart farming starts here. Discover the future of agriculture. Today, we're diving into a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing livestock farming. Barns don't just produce food, they also produce gases that warm the planet and affect our air. It's a startling reality, but one that innovative farmers are tackling head-on. Livestock farming has long been a major source of methane, ammonia, and odors. But here's the exciting part. New filtration technologies are turning this problem on its head. In this video, we'll explore the emissions challenge, cutting-edge filtration solutions, real-world success stories, and the bright future of sustainable farming. Get ready to see agriculture in a whole new light. Let's start by understanding the problem. Livestock emissions aren't just about unpleasant smells. They're a complex mix of pollutants with far-reaching effects. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is produced during animal digestion. Ammonia, released from manure, contributes to acid rain. Particulates like dust and dander float in the air, while odors can travel for miles. These emissions don't just stay on the farm. They contribute to global climate change, contaminate water sources, and create serious health risks. Farm workers and nearby residents often suffer from respiratory problems and reduced air quality. It's clear that addressing these emissions isn't just about being eco-friendly. It's about protecting our communities and our planet. So, how do we tackle this challenge? Enter the world of advanced filtration technologies. Biofilters are like nature's own pollution-aiding sponges. Packed with wood chips, compost, or soil, they use microbes to break down harmful gases. Chemical scrubbers, on the other hand, use specially designed solutions to absorb or neutralize pollutants, proving particularly effective against ammonia. For particulate matter, we have electrostatic and mechanical filters. Think of them as supersized versions of your home air purifier, but designed for barn-sized spaces. UV and plasma systems take things a step further, using advanced technology to break down odors and kill bacteria. And let us not forget the power of smart tech. IoT sensors and monitoring systems ensure these filtration methods are working at peak efficiency. 24/7. But do these technologies really work in the real world? Absolutely. Let's take a tour around the globe to see filtration in action. In the United States, dairy farms are embracing biofilters to slash ammonia emissions. This means cleaner air for workers and easier compliance with environmental regulations. Hop over to Canada, and you'll find swine farms adopting chemical scrubbers to meet some of the strictest air quality standards in the world. In the United Kingdom, poultry farms are leading the charge with comprehensive systems that tackle dust and odor. These farms aren't just improving air quality, they're building better relationships with their communities. Meanwhile, in Australia, forward-thinking beef producers are testing IoT-enabled monitoring systems that track emissions in real time, allowing for instant adjustments to filtration systems. The benefits of these technologies extend far beyond the farm gate. Workers breathe easier, enjoying cleaner, safer air throughout their day. Nearby communities no longer have to deal with persistent odors wafting over from livestock operations. On a global scale, reduced greenhouse gas emissions mean these farms are actively fighting climate change. There are practical advantages for farmers too. By adopting these technologies, they can more easily comply with increasingly strict environmental regulations, avoiding penalties and even gaining approval for farm expansions. Perhaps most importantly, clean farming practices build trust. Consumers are more likely to support farms they see as modern, responsible, and committed to sustainability. Of course, no major change comes without challenges. The upfront costs of installing advanced filtration systems can be significant, especially for smaller farms operating on tight margins. There's also a knowledge gap to bridge. Many farmers may lack the technical expertise to implement and maintain these new technologies effectively. Balancing profitability with sustainability remains an ongoing challenge. Farmers must weigh the long-term benefits of cleaner operations against short-term financial pressures. It's a delicate balance, but one that innovative farmers are proving can be achieved. Looking to the future, the potential for livestock emission control is truly exciting. Imagine farms that not only filter out pollutants, but actually turn them into resources. Biogas capture systems could take methane from manure, clean it through filtration, and use it as a renewable energy source right on the farm. Artificial intelligence is set to play a big role too. AI-driven management systems could predict emission spikes before they happen, automatically adjusting filtration systems for maximum efficiency. And governments are taking notice. New policies in countries like the US, Canada, UK, and Australia are creating incentives, grants, and regulations that will make adopting these technologies more accessible and appealing for farmers of all sizes. As we wrap up our journey through the world of livestock emission control, let's recap the big picture. Filtration technologies are transforming farms into cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable operations. They're protecting our air, our communities, and our planet. But this isn't just a story about technology. It's about the innovative spirit of farmers and researchers, working together to solve one of agriculture's biggest challenges. So, what can you do? Support sustainable farming practices when you shop. Share this video to spread awareness about these game-changing technologies. And most importantly, stay curious about the ways technology is shaping the future of our food system. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you noticed changes in farming practices in your area? What other agricultural innovations are you excited about? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of smart farming. Together, we're cultivating a cleaner, greener future for agriculture. Until next time, keep innovating.